so six killed this shit.
If you wanna play games, then we gone off that cognac. Got a chop in the sprint if you own that. He dissing, he gotta get toe tagged. No 12, but I knock at your door, man. Getting money, no Pitbury dough, man. Got hit, now who on the floor, man? You a snitch, you talk to the folks, man. He squeal, he ratted. AP, my wrist, my chop be the pallet. 2 times back at it. If he wanna diss, we gon' cook his spaghetti. My youngest, they ready. I stay in your dream, just call me Freddy. I'm feeling like Jason, get hit with machete. He say that he hungry, these bullets gon' help him. Ayy, they gon' help him. In the back and I dig like a chef. Me and my niggas, we really some rebels. Chop with a stench, they really won't help you. That little nigga diss get put on a stretcher. Little nigga gay, no fruity, no pebbles. You can get sprayed, cologne it'll help. Hollow his head and I look at him. Nigga won't play, now we got the draw. Big FM, but I keep me a glove. Nigga won't diss and get popped in his top. Let's see who his match is. My chop it really be patching. It'll stop you, but this ain't the trash. Chop be a bully, I call that big Debo. My niggas crazy, they going in emo. This ain't no game, but I got the cheat code. Little nigga snitching, I stick to the G code. Ice on my neck, still screaming out free, bro. Getting blue chest, yeah, I put the whole team on. 2 times.